Has that increased your confidence going through the courses and learning those little detail to have a a much more comprehensive understanding of how markets work and why? Has that increased your confidence that you'll make significant money in the future?
It has increased my confidence,
Yeah.
but I also know that there's a lot more to learn.
That's why I have coaches myself. I don't pretend to know everything. I'd be very scared when somebody says they know, oh, I know everything. It's like, well, Warren Buffett is 95 and he still learns new things. And he got a lot more money than I do. Got about 160 billion. So that's only, a bit more than 1,000 times my net worth. If he was as poor as me, he'd be depressed. Only in 100 million, he'd be depressed. So, I think it's not because I'm a nice guy. It's not because I want to be a humble guy. I like my ego too. I think every guy likes his ego, and you'd like to be right, and you like to go do reckless things and have stupendous outcomes, and it looks flashy and it looks amazing, but it doesn't work consistently, man. So the way that I got the best results in life is I would go to an expert. I wanted to go to the best business school, so I earned my way there. Or when I wanted to learn about martial arts, I personally think Lyoto is maybe the best striker ever. That doesn't mean he's perfect. It doesn't mean he never lost a fight, but he won 16 fights in a row at one time. He was undefeated. He went totally undefeated. His 15th fight, he wins his UFC belt. His 16th fight, he defends his UFC belt. And the guy had, amazing techniques and strategies that came from a place of deep learning and discipline, from his father, from his brothers, from other coaches and teachers and mentors. And, when I see people that are successful, they tend to have those type of commonalities. How long did you start training before you got that UFC belt, before you won that first belt? How old were you when you
I
started
was
training?
4 years old.
You started training at 4 years
Yeah, I
old.
started training
How old are you when you become world champion? You're the
30, 30, 30 years old.
26 years.
26 years.
Why didn't you do it in like the afternoon, like the day trader guys? 26 years.
Yeah, you have to think long term. Everything that we're doing in our life is long term.
Look, he and I came from about as different of a background as you could imagine. The way that he was raised versus the way that I was raised. And when we talk about philosophy, when we talk about life principles, there are so many things that, after we get to know each other the last few years, are nearly identical. Is nearly identical, and I think these are the things that are required if you want to have champion type outcomes. If you want to have consistent winning, consistent performance. We just focused on those things from a different place. I was, basically had no rules as a child. My father wasn't there. My mother was not a very good mother. And I basically had no rules. So I had to do a lot of guess and check, kind of like your trading story that you try to do something and you mess it up. And you're like, no, I'll do it harder now. And you mess it up even worse. And it doesn't make me happy to say this, by the way, It's not something I'm happy to say. But it's very painful to guess and check. It's very painful to, you might have your ego might tell you that you're very important, or no, I'm going to do great. They don't understand. I'm going to do great. Not like that. You're not. You're just not. And the more that I went to people who had the type of results that I wanted to have, it was easier and easier for me to get better results because I could learn. They already made some mistakes. They already paid the price of mistakes and failure, and they helped me avoid a lot of pain and a lot of mistakes and a lot of failure, and teach me the core principles in many details to have excellent result and avoid most of the pain and failure and problems, and save a lot of time. So yeah, I like to learn from people who already did the things that I want to learn and maybe did at a higher level than I need to know. Um, I think it's like the shortcut in life is to find a great coach, great mentor, and have the humility to follow their instructions. I think it's very. I don't know a better way. I don't know a better way to learn. So I still do that myself. Um, I don't think my ego is my friend. I don't think that for those of you listening, I don't think your ego is your friend. Your ego will tell you that you're great the way you are. That I'm the man. I'm doing great the way I am. Um, and I want to be a better man every day. So I think yes, I'm doing extremely well. I'm very pleased with myself. Now what can I do better? Because I'd like to be more pleased with myself in the future. What could I do better? What could I learn today? What else could I do? And probably I drive him and some other people crazy. I always asking them, what can I do better? What else can I do? What am I missing? How many times I ask questions like this when you're here for half a week? How many times I ask these type of questions?
all the time.
Yeah. Would you mind describing? So usually I'm talking. Would you mind describing to him or my other clients or some people are just here for the first time to listen in? How do I behave when if we go into the martial arts academy, we go to the training room, and in the training room you are the boss? Do I argue with you, or what is my behavior like when we go to the training
No, you're
room?
very humble when you're there, so you will to learn everything that you have to willing, to learn everything that I say, and you try your best. For me, as a teacher, I think is the best part because when you see some students that really want to do something, it means like you want to learn, no, you don't want to like confront, you don't want to like you just follow the rules, follow the instructors, and that's important for any student in any area of life. No, if you really committed to learn, you have to follow someone. If you don't believe in that, so you have to change the teacher, change the medal, change the course, change do everything, do other thing. But if you choose something, you have to follow.
Yeah, I don't want to. I don't want to argue with my coach or my mentor. I ask them questions all the time, and not just to be annoying, but I ask them, okay, if I understand correct, you tell me do this, 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 this. Uh, I think the main idea here, the main goal is like this, yeah? The main goal is to do ABC, ABC, ABC. Is that correct? And if I can understand what is the main goal, what is the intention, what are we trying to accomplish, well then that's very useful, okay? And now I can pay attention to the details. When he tell me the details, it is very easy for me to understand. Okay, I understand the goal. So this detail will help me like this. This detail fits here. This detail fits there. If there's something I don't understand, I say, okay, I understand. I believe you. I believe the way you explained to me this. Am I missing something? Am I doing something wrong? I feel like this part here is a little fuzzy, little not perfect enough. Sometimes my instructors, sometimes my coaches say, no, 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 you're doing good. I say, I don't want to do good. I want to do excellent. What would excellent look like? If we could make it perfect, what would perfect look like? And it's always this way. It's always this way. And the person that can pay attention to those little things, um, the process sometimes is boring. The results are not boring. The results are amazing. The results will get you access to social resources, intellectual resources, and financial resources that are more than you can believe. But better than your dreams, man. Better than your dreams. If you can find the discipline to pay attention to those little things. So yeah, I enjoy talking with you. Glad to get to see you and know you a little bit. But I say to everybody here, if you can do those little things repetitively, you have great coach, you have great teacher, you follow the instructions, the results will come. the results will come. And if you do for a period of time, bigger than you dreamed. So for him, 26 years of training to become world champion. Okay, was it worth it?
Of course.
Yeah. The time was going to go by anyway. The time was going to go by anyway. So do you want the time to go by and nothing happened? Or do you want to go by the time that goes by and you build your intellectual skills, you build your social skills, you build your resources, again, intellectual resources, social resources, financial resources. Someday you wake up, you have a lot of freedom. You're smart, you have great friends, you have more money than you really need. That's the process, though. So,
and every day when we wake up is an opportunity that we have to make everything better and different. So, but the way you live your life is the way the way you live your life, the way you do everything in your life. You know what I mean? Like, for example, if you're very strict with your discipline, with your time and everything, it's the way that you're gonna do in your professional career. That's the way you're gonna do in your home, with your relationships. It's the same way, because sometimes you think, no, I live my life in one way, but you're gonna bring the same habit, the same thing to your professional career, to your relationships and everything.
You watch this video all the way through, and that tells me you're dedicated to learning more and earning far above average outcomes in your life. Congratulations for that. But now it's time to take action. If you could have earned those results by yourself, you would have done it already. My head coach has opened up a few spots on his high-demand calendar for an in-person, one-on-one strategy session to help you. On this call, we'll give you the pragmatic advice that you can implement tonight to get laser-focused on the right metrics and leave mediocrity far behind in your past. Click that link right now in the description below and apply for your call immediately. Do it now.